Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to prepare edamame in 5 minutes. It's a quick pan steaming technique. Umami of edamame is condensed and becomes really delicious. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Wash 1 bag of edamame. Rub and coat with 1 teaspoon of salt. Put in a frying pan. Add water, then cover. Put on high heat and bring to a boil. When it comes to a boil, turn down to medium and cook for 5 minutes. And now it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Bye bye. This is a cakeを作ります。
違うよ。
気をつけピシッ。足伸びた。これから枝豆のフライ